What's up, everyone? Coach Dylan here at my home coaching facility. Oftentimes I have people come in and take lessons from me and they want to hit it farther. There are two ways that you can hit it farther. One is being technically more sound with your golf swing, but another is training for speed. I have here a 3-pound weighted stick and a 6-pound weighted stick. This one's quite a bit heavier. I wouldn't start with both of them. I like to use both of them to train, but I want to run through a series of events that I like to do to help with my swing speed. I grip both of these together, do not hit the ground. I'm going to start with a step swing and do it 3 times, and each time increase my speed. So I'm going to do this, step and swing, do another one, step and swing, do another one, step and swing. Now, the key for this is reversing what you're doing. Golf is a one-sided game. To be healthy, stay active, athletic in your golf swing, you have to do it left-handed. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take a big step here, turn, and go for it. Big step here, turn, and go for it. Big step here, turn, and go for it. Now you'll see with my left-handed swing, it's not as pretty, it's not as technically sound, but it's not about that. It's about training for speed, pushing your heart rate, and pushing your swing. Then what I'm gonna do is just grip it normally. We're gonna swing 3 times. Normal, faster, faster, faster. Switch it again, do it lefty, normal, 3 times, increasing your speed. 1, 2, 3. Repeat that cycle 3 times in a row. I guarantee you, you will increase your club head speed and hit it farther than you ever have before. I recommend getting the Power Hitter. It's an orange driver that weighs about 3 pounds. Some sticks like this. This is part of some old training aid that I've kind of just made into using these for speed training, or getting a training aid that is weighted to do faster, faster, and faster swings with more weight. Hope this helps you out. Coach D,